Hello, David. This is Robert Reed. I work with several tile companies across the U.S. and I live right here in Louisville, Kentucky. And I was doing some research in the area, and I came across your website, and I figured you guys could use some help. So I made this video to give to you. There are 3 tips that you can use and put in action yourself to start beating your competition. Basically, one of the things I'm suggesting is to get a website so you can do these kind of things, because the website is what you own. It's just like another tool, and you can use it to produce customers, and it would be good quality customers instead of bandit signs and stuff like that a lot of people use. So I don't waste your time or my time here. So by the end of this video, if you like what you've heard, and you can tell I have a lot of strategies to help grow your business, and it's something that you're looking for, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Feel free to take the tips that I've given you and use them for yourself. The 3 tips I'm going to give you today is content, citation, and backlinks. These are things that are used on a website to make you rank. So the first topic is content. So that's basically anything that you see on your front page. This website I have right here, DeGrilla Tile, I don't know if you've ever heard of them or not. They have hardly nothing on this website. But content is important, and I'm sure you've heard the term content is king. So you want to make sure you have enough content on your page to clearly let Google know what it is that you do and what kind of services that you offer. Also, you want to have enough content to make sure that you're getting the keywords and key phrases worked in the content, so that way it reads naturally. You want to be sure you're getting found for those keywords or key phrases people may be searching for, because someone is looking for your services, but they may not have heard of your branding. So that's the first tip I got for you. Just make sure that you have good quality content, rich content on your homepage, and try to have about 1,500 words, not like this guy right here. You do have I recommend that they would add more, but So one of the things I look for is Louisville tile installation. So that would be a keyword that people would put in if they need tile work done in their area. And the first thing you're going to see on a normal Google search are the ads are right up here at the top. These are all paid ads. And these are people that are paying to be on top of the search results. Now, this can be somewhat of a gamble, because there are a lot of people out there that choose specifically not click on ads. Maybe they've had a bad experience with ads in the past. In 2021, a lot of people are using ad blockers. People have been getting sick of these ads over the years and start installing ad blockers so they don't have to see these. So if you go down, you come across the map section. In the map section is where more people are searching nowadays through the Google search. Seems to be a more trusted area, and people tend to like what they click. They use the button to call directly from their cell phone. This is directly related to a citation. So what is a citation? It's essentially your business name, right there, Floor & Decor, and their address and their phone number, listed in various directories all throughout the web, like Yellow Pages or Facebag or Facebook or whatever. All it does is just give you another avenue to reach more people. Basically, to beat out your competition, you just have to go out and get the same type of directory listings that your competition has. But you don't want to just stop there. If you really want to beat them out, you have to get more than what they have. And we have tools that we can find out what directories other people are in, and then we put them on your website so you have a way of ranking better. The third thing is backlinks. And a backlink is a link back from your website or somebody else's website to your website. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, having a Pizza Hut referring back to you isn't going to do much for your ranking as a specific tile company from another state ranking back to you. So making sure that you have relevant backlinks that are relevant to your industry and your services that you offer will help you dominate your competition. You can see I've used DeGrilla, and that's one site. And I just want to give you an idea. This is a tool that we use. It's kind of expensive to use, but what it does is they buy data from Google, and they put this in here. So that the Gorilla Tile Company, even though they had not really good website, but they had things like they're getting 27 people coming in with that website, which wasn't really that great. They've got backlinks, and these are the domain ratings. This is the power that a domain has. So this is one website. Another one would be Louisville Tile Company. Now this is a lot better website. It has more content on the website, more things you can see and search for, and keywords are built into this. Now their Ahrefs website, they have Google has given them a 31, which is really good, and a domain power of 31. And they've got 3,000 backlinks out of almost 400 websites. They're getting 2.9 keywords that they're ranking for, and they're getting over 2,000, almost 2,500 traffic coming into them every month. So building something like this is not hard. And you can get this number, this organic traffic, to be basically anywhere you want. If you just want to put a little into it, you could come up with 100 people. And that'd be new, good customers, paying customers that are coming to you only, and you're not shared by some of the sites, Home Advisor or any of those sites. So I just want to show you the different degrees of what you could do. I mean, this site had 27 coming in, and this site has almost 2,500 coming in. And it's basically because of these keywords. They're ranking really good for these keywords. So they've got their branding, which is Louisville Tile. They always rank #1 for that. And then there's amount of volume that comes in. For Louisville Tile, they're getting it from advertising and TV commercials and all that. So people are coming through here not because of their website, because some kind of advertising is leading them to this website. So the first page, they've got all ones, which that means they're ranking #1 for all this stuff. And they basically are doing a real good job, and anybody could get this from them. It's just a matter of putting in things that will make you over and above what they've got. So, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I hope I kind of give you another avenue. A lot of people just like to buy Google ads, and then to me, that's a waste of money when you can get your website here so easily to rank real good. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And if you're not interested in working with us, that's fine. Feel free to take these steps yourself and see how they work out. And if you could give me some feedback to me about what the video is and the strategies, I would really appreciate it. And thank you for your time and watching this video. So have a good day.